Insect pollinated flower. Students, if you look around, you will find many attractive flowers around us. The flowers are the most beautiful creation of nature, which are not only liked by us, but also by various small animals. And while getting their food and incentives from these flowers, they also unknowingly help us as well as the nature in a wider sense. Today, we are going to read the characteristic of an insect pollinated flower. Now, this is a China rose flower, which is an insect pollinated flower. You can see that the various parts of the flower here clearly. I have tried to focus this portion which is required for the process of pollination. Now, this yellow color substances which you can see with needle, which I am showing you, these are the anthers which are containing the pollen grains. Okay, and this tip portion which you can see, which is in bright red color. Now this indicates the portion which is the stigma, and this is a pentamerous flower. That is why you can see that there are 5 stigmas also, 1 2 3 4 5, and the stamens which are present, these stamens are actually bunched and they are around the stigma, and since they are bunched in a single bunch, that is around the that is your style portion of the female reproductive part of the flower. So we call this type of arrangement to be the monodalphous type of stamen. That means all bunched together to form a single bunch. When it is bunched into twice or two, as we have seen in case of your pea plant, then it is called as your diadelphous, and in case of your citrus fruits, it is called as your polydelphous, because there the stamens are bunched into many groups. And you can see how attractive the flower's petals are. These petals are red in color, brightly colored they are, and the flower is pentamerous, so petals are also 5 in number, 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so this is how the flower looks like, and at the bottom, at the base rather, of this flower, trying to focus it, yes. Now this is the position actually where the presence of nectaries are there. Now the nectaries are a kind of incentives to the pollinators who will be coming for the process of pollination, so that they are benefited when they will be coming, and they will be landing onto the that is the platform of the flower. They will be brushing through this stamens, and while they will be brushing through the stamens, the yellow color powdery substance will be falling into their body, and you can see that this yellow substances, let me just take few of them. Okay, so this is how it will be looking like. Okay, in the originality, how it will be looking like. And then you have to, if you want to see the composition, or if you want to see the structure of the pollen, then you have to just focus it in the microscope to see the intine and the exine arrangement in case of the pollen present in this anther. Okay, and of course nectars, as I told you, it is in the bottom of the flower, brightly colored, and to attract the pollinators. And this is the calyx of the flower, and bottom this is actually the epicalyx, row, green color row below the calyx is epicalyx, and this one is the pedicel of the flower. That is the handle of the flower, the pedicel of the flower. So this is what is about your insect pollinated flower looks like, and the various kinds of things present in it.